Pharmacy business math continued. Let's talk a little bit about overhead. Like I said, I went ahead and set the PowerPoint out. The PowerPoint was very detailed, but I wanted to give you section by section just so that you would be able to just have the examples and have me explain them. Don't mind my trusty broom handle. It's just easier for me because Madison's busy right now, so I don't have a cameraman. Okay, and every time I ask Malik to do it, he starts sneezing and coughing, and he moves the camera, so he's not a steady cameraman, so he can't work with me. Okay, so pharmacy business math. Again, the overhead is basically the total amount of money that's required to run your business. It's kind of like your house. Whenever you get your apartment or your house, you're trying to determine how much money does it take to run your households, you know, like your rent, your grocery bills, etc. When you're going to look for a job, you're going to want to find a job that definitely you can pay your bills with. And how do you determine that? You determine it by your overhead. How much money is required to run your house every month? And then you'll pick a job that can support those bills. I mean, hopefully you'll have the job first and then the apartment, but I think you kind of catch my drift. So the example that I pulled here is the same one from the PowerPoint. So for this example of overhead, the salaries are $125,000, the rent is $24,000, the utilities is $12,000, the insurance is $6,000, and the supplies are $732,000. The total amount is $899,000, and this says annual. Annual definitely means yearly. So for the year, this is how much money you're paying on your bills for the year. So the question is, how much profit do we need to make each year in order to be profitable? Well, the answer is $900,000. If you make at least $900,000, you are considered profitable. If you made $899,000, you broke even. That means you put out the same amount that you put in. But even if you just made $900,000, you'll be profitable by $1. Those are not very good margins nonetheless, but you're still considered profitable. So the idea is to make more money than this in order to be able to see more money fed into your business.